Hi, greetings from Vajag1.com. Aries horoscope today. Today, you're feeling inspired and whimsical, Aries. Your mind is filled with fantasies and delightful daydreams, especially when it comes to romance and your future ambitions. You may feel drawn to role-playing, exploring new personas, and even letting yourself indulge in charming ideas that ignite your imagination. This dreamy mindset may even lead you to consider making some bold moves in either your career or relationship. However, while this is a day to let your imagination soar, it's wise to hold back from making any long-term commitments or significant changes. Enjoy the magic of the moment without binding yourself to decisions that could impact you later on. Keep the fantasy alive, but keep it light-hearted too. Health and wellness today. You might have let your health goals slip recently, Aries, but today brings the perfect chance to restart. A little time in the gym or even a light workout session can make all the difference. Just remember to go easy on yourself. There's no need to jump straight back into a strenuous routine. By dedicating 30 minutes to physical activity, you'll regain your momentum without feeling burnt out. Love and relationship today. Your love life is in for a twist. Today, you may surprise your partner with an unexpectedly bold and passionate approach, bringing a new excitement into your relationship. Your partner, accustomed to your usual gentle romance, will be pleasantly intrigued by this side of you. This is a day to explore your connection together and let your emotions run free. The change will bring you closer and add fresh sparks to your relationship. Career and money today. Fortune favors the bold, Aries. Today is a fantastic day to consider speculative ventures like stocks or even a lottery ticket. With the odds in your favor, a small, calculated risk could yield surprising results. If someone offers you a financial tip, pay attention. It might be the key to a rewarding opportunity. Work will flow smoothly, allowing you to enjoy a calm and productive day at the office, setting the stage for future success. Taurus horoscope today. Everything seems to align perfectly for you today, Taurus. You're set to experience a wave of success across all your efforts, bringing positive results and even the chance to recoup past losses. This boost of good fortune may make you feel overly optimistic and ready to take on new opportunities. However, while the future looks bright, it's wise to stay grounded. Make sure to evaluate any risks carefully before diving in. A sudden encounter may bring unexpected surprises, so keep an open mind and let the day unfold. Health and wellness today. You've been quite strict with your health routines, Taurus, but today's a good day to dial it back a bit. Overloading your body with intense exercise or dietary restrictions may lead to unintended strain. Take a gentler approach to your wellness. Balance and moderation are key. Embrace activities that relax and restore your energy. After all, being overly rigid can be just as challenging as not trying at all. Love and relationship today. Today, Taurus, is about clarity in relationships. If a relationship brings joy and peace, it's worth cherishing. However, if you find yourself in a connection that feels more burdensome than uplifting, it may be time to consider moving on. Freeing yourself from any unhealthy ties will help you rediscover happiness and open up new possibilities. Invest your energy in environments and people that make you feel valued and fulfilled. Career and money today. Your financial planning and hard work are finally yielding the rewards you deserve. Today, you may notice that people who once doubted your judgment are now admiring your foresight and logical thinking. Enjoy this moment of recognition. Treat yourself to something special. Indulge in a luxury item you've long wanted. Celebrate your achievements with confidence, knowing you've earned every bit of this success. Gemini horoscope today. Today is a day to shine, Gemini. Your hard work and dedication are finally paying off, bringing you well-deserved praise and possibly even awards. Your commitment to truth and ethics has set you apart, inspiring others, even your competitors, to see you as a role model. However, as you make decisions, take a moment to reflect before acting, ensuring that your choices align with your core values. Health and wellness today. Today might bring some work-related stress, Gemini, so prioritize your health to handle it well. This stress could potentially trigger issues like migraines or hypertension if left unchecked. Starting the day with calming exercises like yoga, meditation, or a light workout can help you manage these effects, keeping both body and mind balanced. Remember, maintaining inner peace will make you more productive and help you get the most out of this successful day. Love and relationship today. Your dedication to your career has drawn your focus away from your love life lately. While your partner has been understanding, they may now be feeling a bit neglected and showing signs of impatience. Take this opportunity to reconnect and remind them of their importance in your life. Investing time in your relationship today can prevent any budding issues from growing into bigger challenges later on. Career and money today. Today may present challenging situations at work where you'll need to decide between following the crowd and staying true to your values. Standing firm on your principles, even if it's against popular opinion, might create some tension with colleagues. However, this integrity will earn you the respect and admiration of your supervisors, positively impacting your career in the long run. Trust that staying authentic will pay off in your future success. Cancer horoscope today. Today, Cancer, even your most practical advice may not land well with others. Although your suggestions are spot on, some people may feel your delivery is too forceful or patronizing, which may cause them to reject your help. Try softening your tone and being more empathetic in your approach. By presenting your ideas with humility and openness, you'll see better acceptance and cooperation from those around you. Health and wellness today. Your health may fluctuate a bit today, so stay mindful. While physical health could feel somewhat unpredictable, your mental strength will be your saving grace. No matter what challenges arise, your resilience will carry you through, allowing you to accomplish all your planned tasks. Remember, it's truly a triumph of mind over matter as you push forward and stay on top of your goals. Love and relationship today. Luck is on your side in love. If you're single, today could bring you closer to meeting someone special, especially in a setting like a sports or spiritual gathering. For those already in relationships, it's a good day to focus on self-care and personal joy. Take a small break from the demands of the relationship and engage in activities that bring you happiness. Sometimes, a little time apart is what it takes to realize the depth of your connection. Career and money today. Success is in the stars for you today, Cancer. Any tasks or responsibilities you take on are likely to go smoothly and yield positive results. If you've recently appeared in a competitive exam, you may receive good news. This is also an ideal day to approach your superiors about advancing your career, whether through a promotion or additional responsibilities. Harness the productive energy of this favorable day to make the most of every opportunity. Leo horoscope today. Today is a day of strong inner clarity for you, Leo. Your ability to think on multiple levels allows you to see all sides of an issue, helping you make fair judgments about friends and peers. Trust your intuition when logical reasoning feels inadequate. This is a moment to unlock the hidden potential within. However, steer clear of arguments as they might lead to future complications. Let today be about self-discovery, inner strength, and mindful connections. Health and wellness today. Your energy levels are soaring today, Leo, making you unstoppable. No task feels too big, and you're likely to complete everything on time, and maybe even squeeze in some physical activity. Whether it's running, hitting the gym, or even trying a new workout routine, today's high energy will serve you well. Your positive physical state will spill over into all areas of your life, leaving you feeling motivated, optimistic, and ready to conquer the day. Love and relationship today. You may find yourself feeling logical and questioning in your relationships today, which could seem unusual to your partner. While it's great to be thoughtful, try to balance it with warmth and spontaneity to avoid a day of tension. Instead, focus on embracing your sensual side and encouraging your partner to do the same. Relaxing into the moment will allow for more meaningful connections, making the day truly memorable. Career and money today. Today is a beautiful reminder of why you chose your career path, Leo. The pressures of work have been dampening your enthusiasm recently, but today something will reignite your passion for what you do. Take this opportunity to rekindle the joy in your work and consider introducing a positive change in your approach. This could be a small attitude shift or a fresh way of organizing your day. Whatever it is, let today bring you back to loving what you do. Virgo horoscope today. Today, Virgo, your imagination is at an all-time high, and you may get a chance to travel or explore new places through work. Your romantic side is surfacing, making it the perfect day to let yourself relax and enjoy the moment. Keep your practical side in mind as well, especially at work. Displaying a positive mood and open approach with peers will bring rewarding interactions. Check your mailbox. An important message may be waiting that could spark new possibilities. Health and wellness today. Virgo, make sure you dedicate at least an hour to your health today. Reflect on your daily habits, especially your breathing, and see how they impact your mood, communication, and overall wellness. Yoga or meditation can be particularly beneficial now, grounding you in calm and focus. Small adjustments in routine can create a big difference in how you feel and interact with others. Love and relationship today. Your social energy is high, and it's a great time to meet new people or enjoy gatherings with your partner. If routine has crept into your relationship, add a spark by trying something new together to keep things exciting. While work demands are moving swiftly, don't forget that your partner may be waiting for quality time. Nurturing your connection will strengthen your bond amidst the busy pace. Career and money today. Today is a good day to be mindful of your finances. Small expenses may add up more than you expect, so take a close look at your spending and consider ways to cut back where needed. Additionally, start exploring ways to boost your income. Finding new opportunities to increase your financial security now can prevent future stress and help you achieve long-term stability. Libra horoscope today. Today is the ideal time to unleash your creative side, Libra. New ideas flow easily, making it the perfect day to implement fresh concepts and expand your horizons. Consider enrolling in intellectual or vocational courses that can give you an edge. Financial challenges may arise as you pursue these goals, but with perseverance, you can overcome them and enrich your skills for the future. Health and wellness today. Patience is your keyword today, Libra. Life may test you with situations that require a calm and measured approach. Practicing patience with yourself and others can help you stay grounded. Take a peaceful walk in the early morning to ease your mind, and if possible, try walking barefoot on grass to feel connected with nature. These simple routines will bring you inner calm and resilience. Love and relationship today. Remember, Libra, you are a unique and valued individual, and no one has the right to undermine you. If you feel cornered, communicate your worth subtly yet confidently through your actions. As challenging moments arise, your partner will come to appreciate your true value and loyalty. Though distractions may have been pulling you both in different directions, these moments of clarity can deepen your connection. Career and money today. Today, you may feel a strong drive to make a difference in others' lives. You might find yourself drawn to charitable work, requiring dedication and compassion. This pursuit may prompt you to weigh the choice between following your passion for helping others or focusing on a more financially rewarding job. Reflect on your long-term goals to make the choice that brings you both fulfillment and stability. Scorpio horoscope today. Today, Scorpio, you may find yourself choosing between enjoying life's pleasures and embracing responsibility. Freedom is yours if you approach it responsibly, yet reaching your desired goals may still feel distant despite your hard work. Don't be discouraged, perseverance will eventually lead to success. Financial matters may have you feeling concerned, but trust that your financial situation will gradually improve over time. Health and wellness today. Your passionate nature is in full swing today, and your approach to health and fitness reflects this drive. You may push yourself harder than usual in your exercise routine, which is great, but be cautious to avoid overstraining or injury. This passion will clear your mind of mental stress, leaving you energized and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Love and relationship today. Romance feels complex today as you experience conflicting emotions and perhaps more than one romantic option. While it might be tempting to dive in, this isn't the right time to make big decisions in your love life. Allow yourself some time to sort through your feelings. Soon enough, clarity will come naturally. Career and money today. Indecisiveness may have clouded your thoughts recently, Scorpio, but today is the day to move past hesitation. Trust in your decision-making ability. Taking action is key to future success. If you feel unsure, seek guidance from a trusted person who can offer valuable career and financial advice. With the right support, you'll feel confident in choosing a path that's best for your future. Sagittarius horoscope today. Sagittarius, your day is looking up with a mix of positive developments. Business meetings or pending negotiations will likely turn in your favor, giving you a stable and steady feeling. You're calm, centered, and making decisions based on careful consideration. At work, expect an improved atmosphere that fuels productivity. You might also cross paths with an old acquaintance who brings warmth to your day. Intellectual growth shines through, and some joyous news from loved ones could be the perfect end to the day. Health and wellness today. Your recent lifestyle changes are beginning to show results, and you're likely to feel healthier than before. You might even notice improvements in your skin, such as clearer skin or a fresh, radiant glow. These positive shifts will make you feel more confident and energetic. Continue with these healthy habits as they're proving effective in transforming your overall well-being. Love and relationship today. Be cautious today, Sagittarius, as someone may attempt to interfere in your relationship. This third party could be someone you trust, so take any comments or information with a healthy amount of skepticism. Jealousy or deception may be at play, so rely on your intuition and keep communication open with your partner to ensure that your relationship remains strong and unaffected by outside influence. Career and money today. You're generally happy with your job and perform well, but today you might feel the urge to react quickly if conflicts arise with colleagues. Guard your temper, as any impulsive actions could lead to regrets later, potentially affecting your position. Remember, it's just a minor disturbance. Staying calm will keep you on track for future success. Capricorn horoscope today. Today, Capricorn, you're feeling more emotional than usual, which may leave you vulnerable. At work, you're absorbing a lot of pressure that could leave you drained by the end of the day. To avoid burnout, try delegating tasks to your teammates or spreading out your workload over a few days. Focus on quality over quantity to ensure the best outcomes. Amidst the busy day, you might share a delicious meal with someone special, offering a welcome reprieve. Health and wellness today. Your physical health is holding up well, but mentally, you might feel overwhelmed by the pressure at work. You've taken on more than you can handle, and it's starting to take a toll. it's time to address this. Consider cutting back on your workload, incorporating relaxation exercises, and possibly starting a detoxification diet to clear both your mind and body. Taking a breather will help restore your energy and balance. Love and relationship today. Capricorn, today is all about passion in your love life. You've been holding back recently, trying to approach your relationship with moderation, but today you'll feel the urge to unleash your passionate side. Don't hold back, let your emotions flow freely, and watch your connection with your partner deepen. While your partner may be surprised at first, they'll quickly embrace your newfound fervor and enthusiasm. Career and money today. At work, you're not feeling your best, which is making it harder to capitalize on the productive energy around you. Stick to the plan you've set and avoid introducing new methods at this time. You may face a few trials today, but your consistent effort will pay off. Additionally, there's a chance of an emergency at home that could lead to a financial setback, so be prepared to manage it carefully. Aquarius horoscope today. Aquarius, today is a day for placing trust in someone close to you. It could be a friend or a relative who will assist you in a critical task, one that could significantly impact your future. However, this will require you to take a leap of faith and trust that they have your best interests at heart. Don't hesitate to lean on them, it could turn out to be a turning point for you. Health and wellness today. In terms of health, maintaining a positive attitude will help you manage stress. However, it's important to get back on track with your fitness regime, as you may have let it slip recently. You may experience some knee pain as a result, but don't let that discourage you. Stick to your exercise routine, and the discomfort should fade in a few days. Consistency is key. Love and relationship today. Today is an opportunity to strengthen the relationships you may have been neglecting, particularly those with family and friends. While romance can be a focus, don't forget that your support system, your parents, siblings, and close friends, also plays a vital role in your well-being. Take time today to connect with them, nurture those bonds, and appreciate the invaluable support they provide. Career and money today. When it comes to your career and finances, be sure to consider both short-term and long-term implications before making any decisions. Carefully weigh the benefits and costs of your career plans, and take a step back to analyze them from a distance. Seeking a second opinion from a knowledgeable person may provide valuable insight and help you make the right choices. Pisces horoscope today. Pisces, today brings the culmination of your hard work in both your career and personal life. Momentum is building, and this is the day when your efforts will be recognized. Whether it's at work or in your personal endeavors, your ingenuity and perseverance will catch the attention of those around you, leading to major success. Your superiors will notice your dedication, and your enemies will be left powerless. This is your time to shine. Health and wellness today. Be cautious with your physical health today, Pisces. While you're brimming with energy, small accidents or injuries can turn into something more serious if not addressed. If you feel any discomfort, it's important to consult a doctor and take the necessary steps to care for yourself. This is just a temporary phase, and by being proactive, you can prevent future health concerns. Love and relationship today. Your love life is heating up today, Pisces. Passion will be at the forefront, and your generous spirit will shine through in your romantic gestures. You may surprise your partner with an extravagant or sweet act of affection, and in return, you'll receive a passionate response. Your efforts will turn an otherwise ordinary day into something special, creating a beautiful bond between you and your loved one. Career and money today. If you're in the service sector, you may see a rise in your income today. If not, don't hesitate to speak your mind. Your frank opinions will be heard and respected. While your workload may increase midway through the day, It will ease by the evening. Consider securing your financial future by enrolling in an insurance policy. This step will provide stability for you and your loved ones in the long run. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe to get daily full horoscope updates.